Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English.
Hi, everyone. We're very happy you're here with us today.
Let's talk about something powerful. I'm Lucas.
And I'm Sarah.
In our last videos, we talked about your past
Your present.
and your future.
But today, we're going deeper.
Today, we're not asking, what are you doing?
We're asking,
Who are you becoming? Sarah, what's the difference between what you do and who you are?
that's a powerful question.
Many people define themselves by their job
Or their mistakes.
or their success.
But identity is deeper than actions.
Yes, actions change, identity evolves. So let me ask you,
Okay.
who are you becoming?
I am becoming someone stronger.
Stronger how?
Emotionally stronger.
In what way?
I don't react the same way anymore.
Explain.
Before, small problems made me anxious.
And now?
Now I stay calm.
That's growth. Let's teach something important.
Yes.
When we talk about identity, we often use I am becoming.
For example, I am becoming more confident.
I am becoming more disciplined.
Or even, I am becoming more patient.
That structure shows change.
Yes, it shows evolution.
You can also compare past and present.
Yes,
I used to doubt myself.
but now I trust myself.
I used to be afraid of speaking English.
But now I speak with confidence.
That's transformation language.
Lucas, why are people afraid to change?
Because change is uncomfortable,
Comfort zones feel safe.
even if they limit us.
That's deep.
Yes, sometimes people stay small because it feels safe.
But growth requires discomfort.
Have you ever felt like you were losing your old self?
Yes,
Was it scary?
very.
Why?
Because when you grow, you leave behind parts of yourself.
Old habits?
Old beliefs.
Old fears?
Yes,
But is that loss or progress?
it feels like loss at first.
And later?
You realize it was necessary.
Let's give our viewers some powerful personality vocabulary.
Good idea.
Resilient,
Resilient means strong during difficult times.
determined,
Someone who doesn't give up easily.
self-aware,
Understanding your own emotions and behavior.
ambitious.
Having big goals.
Which of these are you becoming?
Sometimes growth is not simple.
What do you mean?
Sometimes part of you wants to change.
And part of you wants to stay the same.
Exactly.
That's internal conflict.
Yes.
How do you deal with it?
By asking myself, who do I want to be in 5 years?
Close your eyes.
Imagine yourself 5 years from now.
What kind of person are you?
Are you confident?
Calm,
Disciplined?
successful.
Now ask yourself,
Are your current habits building that person?
people think transformation is dramatic,
But usually it's quiet.
very quiet.
Waking up earlier,
Reading 1 page.
practicing English for 10 minutes.
Small actions change identity.
Sarah, have you ever looked at yourself and thought, I don't recognize who I am anymore?
Yes.
Was that good or bad?
At first, confusing.
And now?
Now I'm proud
Why?
because I see growth.
Repeat after us.
I am becoming stronger.
I am growing every day.
I am leaving behind old fears.
I am building a better version of myself.
You are not the same person you were 1 year ago.
And you won't be the same 1 year from now.
Growth is constant.
Change is natural.
The question is not whether you are changing.
The question is,
Are you changing intentionally?
or accidentally.
Who are you becoming?
Think about it.
An answer in the comments.
Thank you for learning with us.
Like, subscribe, and grow with us.
Let's become better together.
And let's talk in English together.